All right, students, this is not an educational video. This is a fun project that I am doing with my nieces and my nephew and Shelby. Everybody say hi.
Hi. Hello.
So they're all at the table with me. What we're going to be doing today, since spring is coming up, is we're going to be making bird feeders. They're going to be making bird feeders with the special rods that Andrew made for us with the string. But if you cannot get access to that, you can use a
tiny one.
A toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll that's been completely cleaned off. There's no paper left on there. Andrew stuck a piece of rod through it, but you can easily just glue string, any kind of string. We have thick string, but if you have like yarn or any other kind of string, you can just glue it to the sides of it and it will hold it up for you. Okay, so you're gonna need string, you're gonna need the toilet paper roll, you're gonna need peanut butter, yes, peanut butter,
and a butter knife,
and then bird seed,
and a butter knife,
thank you. A butter knife, not a knife, but or a spoon. Bird seed, which I got from Walmart for just $2, and I still have plenty left. And all the kids have their bird seeds in their cups. So, what we're going to do is, my kids, you're going to get your rod, and you're going to put peanut butter right here. Right here. Okay, so get your peanut butter.
Right here.
What? And you just smear it on there, and you don't have to put a lot, just enough so that way the bird seed will fit.
Right here.
Yep. And not a lot, just enough so that way the bird seeds can fit. Okay. So you just smear.
I'm putting it everywhere.
But make sure you put more than that. You need more than that. The bird seeds need to fit. They need to stick to it.
I'm taking off my jacket.
Very good idea. Take off your jacket.
Peanut butter gets stuck to stuff easily.
Okay.
And tricky to clean it out.
And again, Andrew made these for us. We bought the rods at Walmart, and he drilled the holes in it so that way the birds have somewhere to sit. If your parents want to help you with that, that's awesome. If they're too busy, then you can easily. Good job. You gotta smear it all around it like this. Smear it, spread it, however.
Spread it, share it. I got some on my fingers, so I started licking it.
Okay, well, make sure that you don't lick anymore, because when you get bird seed on here. Okay.
Oh, this is a butter knife, a peanut butter knife.
The bottom part, it has peanut butter smeared all over it.
Peanut butter jelly.
If you're using
if you're making a peanut butter jelly.
the toilet paper roll, it's the same thing. You just get your peanut butter and you just start smearing it on there, spreading it on there. Okay, and again, you don't need a lot, just enough so that way
the bird seed can stay.
The bird seed can stay. Thank you, Sophia. Okay. My kids, once you're finished with the bottom part, you can put peanut butter, Shelby, on the top part.
I already did the top.
Well, then do the bottom. Whichever one you didn't do, then put peanut butter on the other one. So spread it. Spread it so that way the bird seed can...
rub it. Shed it, rub it.
I don't know how you're going to shed it.
Don't do
Brian, you got it, or do you need help?
Don't snakes shed their skin? Yeah. That'd be cool. Even huskies. That'd be cool. Not their skin, their fur.
Well, since we're doing bird feeders, why don't we have a conversation about birds? What do we know about birds?
I know they can fly.
Oh.
You can fly.
Brian says they can fly. Sophia?
They lay eggs.
They lay eggs. What else do we know? Elena, do you know anything about birds?
I don't know anything about birds.
They what?
They have fur.
They have feathers.
Steady.
Feathers. This is kind of thick, guys, but you can make it thinner than that. Shelby, what do you know about birds?
Let's see. They mostly get chased by cats or dogs.
Okay, they can be chased by predators.
They have talons.
Okay. Alright, so there's my peanut butter spread on there.
Me too, that's mine.
Do you need help, Brian, or you got it?
Got it.
You got it? Shelby, are you good? Almost done with your second
Look,
one?
dear.
Elena, you good?
Look, dear.
Or do you need help?
Look, dear.
You need help? Can you ask Andrew to help you?
Dear, is that cool?
That's good.
And
Andrew,
she needs help.
can you help Elena? Can you help Elena?
What you doing?
She can tell you.
What you doing?
Spreading peanut butter.
Sophia, you're good too?
Yeah.
Alright. So for those of you, they're still spreading peanut butter, but this one's ready to have
I'm spreading the
bird
bottom.
seed, so I'm gonna put this to the side and I'm gonna finish my other one real quick. While they're finishing theirs, I'm gonna finish. I did the bottom
Oopsie, I
part.
got
so
no
I'm
more
gonna
the
do
sticks.
It's okay. I'm gonna put peanut butter on this part.
Don't get too lot or you waste your peanut butter. Just get like a little bit like this much, right there? Like this much, not a lot because you waste your peanut butter.
It's okay if you waste the peanut butter.
We just can get more. See, there's more peanut butter, right? One time when I was at my mom's, I ate the rest of the peanut butter in the jar.
Did you?
Yeah, I actually love peanut butter. Me too.
Yeah. So you're willing to eat this stuff after the extra peanut butter?
So I came up with this idea on making bird feeders because I saw some birds in the trees and I was like, oh, that'd be so cool to have bird feeders out there. And so then I decided to make it a project with Shelby, and then I said, why not invite the other kids? And then with everybody being stuck at home and being bored with their life, I thought, why not make a YouTube video? Hopefully you guys are finding my YouTube channel and you're watching my videos. I know you guys are like, I don't want to think about education or whatever, but this is really fun to do. So
look, you have bread in it.
Spread it all the way. So all the bird. Okay. All right. So mine has peanut butter.
There you go.
All over it. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you, Andrew.
Thank you.
Okay. So for those of you who are done spreading all of that peanut butter,
I'm still spreading the bottom.
you're fine.
I'm spreading the top.
I'm going to put bird seed on this one.
Oopsie, I got some on my finger.
It's okay. That's why I have napkins. I'm just gonna.
I usually lick it out.
I'm not licking it.
Tap
I'm not
it on
licking it.
there.
I see a bird seed. Get bird seed.
And it gets messy, so I do have a plate
Yeah.
that I'm using to catch
The bird.
some of it. It's still spreading everywhere, but
Still spreading like this. Shadow, get to me. Stop.
Probably you might want to be your friend.
I don't want to get with my friend.
okay. So
Oh, yeah, I'm getting a
still putting bird. I'm also making a very big mess, so I suggest.
Is you make a little version of this. See this? This is the easiest way. Just make
Babe.
a little trim.
I'm making a big mess.
Huh?
I'm making a big mess.
That's fine. You can clean it later.
Okay. I can clean it later.
Yeah, did I look good? Look, yeah. I just added peanut butter too.
Most of the smaller seeds are sticking than the bigger seeds, which is fine.
I'm gonna make it available.
And when you are done, it should look something like this.
Not like mine. I'm terrible.
Bird seeds all over it, and so when they hang up, the birds can eat off of it.
I'm making mine with
My plate just
bird
flipped
seed
over and
now.
I tried to
So
get the peanut
if
butter.
you made it with this, then you're done, and then you can just hang it up outside, and the birds will enjoy it. Okay.
Now, I got one bird seed.
Put your bird seeds on it. No, do it over here first. Over the plate. Okay. If you decided to go the extra mile and get rods. This one was catching all the leftovers, so there's some on there already. But keep going. But you can do the same thing. Oops, careful.
I'll just spread the bird seeds around like it.
You can spread it around, yes. That's why we have napkins.
At least I don't got bird seeds on my hand because I touched the end and luckily there wasn't no bird seeds.
And I don't like having a mess everywhere, so I'm kind of putting some of the bird seeds together. And then,
Look at my peanut butter.
is it sticking to your peanut butter?
Dude, look at my plate getting all messy with bird seeds. It was on the peanut butter.
Careful.
Oopsie me.
Don't forget the other sides.
I know.
Yeah, don't forget it's a circle cylinder, so it has multiple sides.
Cylinders have two faces.
Dude, I'm bad at doing
So
bird
this is a
seeds.
face and this is a face.
I'm a kind of bad at doing bird seeds a little bit. Dude, there's one in my hand that fell out. Okay, that's me.
And then I was so smart, I left a glob of peanut butter on my plate, so bird
Yeah,
seeds
I
stuck
smart
to
too
that.
because I leave a lot on my plate. I'm gonna put it on the peanut butter. Yeah, I didn't mess on my peanut butter. Ooh, there's some on my fork.
It's okay. That's a butter knife, not a fork.
Yeah. Oh, it's
Okay, so that's the first part.
If there's too much,
Yes.
if there's like, we should look. I'll look closely at the ground so the cats don't eat the seeds.
No, you need to finish yours.
I already finished.
I see lots of spots where there's no bird seeds.
If there's like a glob, just use your finger and spin it around.
Zebra seeds are messy, right? Oh my god! Look it out!
I'm trying to keep it above my plate.
Mia, I made the best on my plate. Look at my plate. Yeah, now we can
I recommend you using your hand.
Dude, we might have to clean this mess.
Yes, we are going to have to clean your mess. Make sure you always clean it up after yourself, or your parents will be very angry with me for teaching you this. But I'm not done with that one. I'm going to pick up some more bird seeds because there's bird seeds everywhere.
Got it. Let's do the next side of my bird seed.
Put some bird seeds on it.
I can do my other side.
My special seeds.
If you have cats, they're going to enjoy watching the birds in your window. So, you know, my cats, they already sit and look outside the window, and so if they see birds, they're definitely going to find it more entertaining to
Instead of watching nothing.
watch the
Instead of
birds
nothing.
outside. So,
I
I'm
need some
going
more.
to the bird seeds that didn't stick on. I'm going to put them back
There's
in
one
my
more
cup for my
spot I
plate. Again, I left a glob of
I need
peanut butter.
Oh, Dia, you can grab
So-
them. Hey, Dia, you can grab them. Dia, you can grab some on your plate
You can grab some on your plate. You need what? A napkin?
and put it on your D.
Pass this to your sister.
Look, Dia, I did it all around.
All around.
Look, I got the peanut butter on my finger. Now they're sticking.
Look, Dia, the
And if you want to use your plate, guys, use your plate to put your leftover seeds into your cup.
I'd
Shelby,
rather look. I'd rather use this as
make
a
it a
bird
bigger
feeder.
mess.
you're making a bigger mess.
I'd rather use this as a bird feeder. It has tons of seeds. No, mine literally got tons.
Mine too. Look at my plate, everybody. Look at food. Look at food. Look at my peanut butter. Look, Shelby. It's covered with bird seeds.
Bruh.
Look, the girl and the fork is covered with peanut butter.
I'd rather use me as a bird feeder.
I wish I'd be a bird. You
So
know
that's
they
the
have
best I
shark
can
feet.
do.
But
Like
I
the
don't
whole
think you
bird
actually
feeder.
want to be a duck or a chicken.
And this is where the
You know
birds
why?
can sit
Yeah.
and eat off of there.
People shoot them down.
And then
For
if you don't have this
For
one, then you
chicken.
have this one.
You don't want to be a
Also,
chicken.
I think
or
this
duck.
one did a lot
the
better
duck.
at holding the peanut butter
If
and
you
the bird
want,
seeds
if you
than
wish
this
you were
did.
a duck,
So
you'd be
that
shot down
is
by
a project that you can do to get ready for
And then
spring,
it becomes
and
some
you can
food.
bird watch. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to be uploading any more videos of our projects, but if I do, they will be on my YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching me. I appreciate you guys, and I love you guys, and be safe, and don't forget to wash your hands. Bye.